Hey guys, I'm here in Australia and I've got something really cool to show you, so check this out. Spiders are these incredible creatures that are way more fascinating than most people realize. You know how we've got 2 arms and 2 legs? Well, spiders have got 8 legs, and that's just the beginning of what makes them unique. They've also got 2 main body parts, and here's the kicker, they can spin silk. Now this silk isn't just any old thread, it's incredibly strong and stretchy, and spiders use it for all sorts of things. I've been thinking about this a lot, and it's mind-blowing how versatile spider silk is. Spiders use it to build webs, of course, but they also use it to make egg sacs, and even as parachutes for baby spiders. Imagine if we could make a material that strong and versatile, it would revolutionize so many industries. But spiders have been doing this for millions of years, just casually spinning this amazing stuff out of their bodies. Now let me show you something that might change how you think about spiders. These little guys are like nature's pest control. They're out there every day, keeping insect populations in check and playing a crucial role in ecosystems. And get this, some spiders have some pretty wild behaviors. Ever heard of ballooning? It's when spiders release strands of silk into the air and use them to float on the wind, sometimes traveling for miles. You know, a lot of people think all spiders are dangerous, but that's not true. Most spiders are harmless to humans and are actually helping us out more than we realize. It's like nature's version of paragliding. These amazing creatures are full of surprises.